We're here doing a 2019 Kia Forte, and the unusual thing about this one is that it has a little groove cut out in order to make way for this indentation in the wheel itself. So here it is up close, and you can see the cutout part. So could be easy to have it be difficult to install without directions. So we're going to show you how. And basically we're going to put this on the front set to go just a little bit away from this edge. As you can see, I'm a little too high, so I'm going to bring it down just a little bit, and I might be a little too low. So again, it's flexible, easy to remove and reset. If you notice, because of the complexity of it, it's going to both wrinkle towards the back and towards the inside. If I have it remove all just toward the back, you can see how it actually comes out too far onto the wheel. If I have it go all the way too far in, you can see how it doesn't, the gap doesn't stay parallel. So we're gonna, like we often try to do, is split the difference on the install, so it does just a happy medium between the two, and it looks like it can go just a little more in. So then we've got it to where we split the difference. The gap is about parallel. We still have a pucker here, but the heat's going to take care of that. Now, I'm going to use a torch. Do not use a torch. I've been playing with vinyl for 45 years, and I know how to get away with this, but even I make mistakes and burn the vinyl a little bit. So that's why you always get 2 extra pieces in case you make any kind of mistake. Stretch it out too much, drop it on the ground, what have you. So here we go with heating this on just a little bit. And we got it really looking good. Now we want to make sure it's sealed down around all the edges. So we're going to focus on the inside. Throw a little heat on that.